This is an EnCase evidence file. It is a forensic copy of a hard drive used by police and investigators. It is tamper-proof. You need EnCase or FTK Imager to view it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's examine the evidence. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your E01, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. The E01 signature identifies it as a specialized type of disk image file. It's stored with the EnCase Forensic Image format. An E01 file is a disk image format created by Guidance Software's EnCase Forensic software. It's used for creating and storing forensic copies of hard drives or other storage media. E01. Images are segmented, meaning the image is split into multiple files, typically with sequential numbering. This allows for easier management and storage of large disk images. E01. Files also contain metadata about the imaging process. E01. Files use a proprietary format, but the specification is available to licensed users of EnCase. The format includes features like compression and the ability to store metadata about the acquisition process, such as the date and time of the imaging, the hash values of the original drive, and information about the examiner. Segmentation allows for handling images larger than the limitations of some file systems. Essential file access for E01 relies upon the utility EnCase from Guidance Software, OpenText. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows may list the file, but exploring the internal structure requires disk imaging applications. Open the context menu by right-clicking your E01 file and choosing Open With. Try EnCase first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is vital. If the E01 file won't budge, stay calm. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent E01 file error. First, use EnCase. Open the file using Guidance Software EnCase Forensic or the free EnCase Viewer, as this is the required application for forensic images. Next, check integrity. The program will automatically check the file's cyclic redundancy check, CRC, upon opening. If it fails, the image is corrupt. Finally, check for password. If the image is encrypted, you must have the correct password or decryption key to access the contents. If every test failed, it's conclusive that the E01 file requires deep inspection. The industry-grade file opener is the best tool to try for this scenario. When a file absolutely must be opened, turn to File Magic. It provides an invaluable feature, accessing content instantly, regardless of the file's extension or header status. Get your copy at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers. Have a great day.